Thank you, Aditi, for the beautiful introduction. Thanks, everyone. पीछे बैठे हैं बहुत देर से 2 बजे से. As we draw this wonderful evening to a close, my heart is filled with gratitude and pride. Tonight, we celebrated not just 50 years of RSB, but the remarkable community that has supported, inspired, and driven us forward. First, I extend my heartfelt thanks to our chief guest, His Holiness Radhanath Swamiji. The presence and words of wisdom from Swamiji have been a true blessings for all. His presence has graced the occasion, and his words have inspired everyone to remain grounded in values, and they look forward to the future. To our chairman, RK sir, and vice chairman, SK sir, your vision and dedication to people-centered growth have been the foundation of this legacy. Thank you for leading with a heart that embraces each one of us. And to SK sir, for your steadfast support and guidance that continuously steers us forward. Thank you once again. We are also deeply grateful to our guests of honor for gracing us with their presence and enriching our event with their invaluable wisdom and encouragement. Your insights have ignited our minds and inspired us to reach new heights. To our esteemed customers, thank you for your trust and loyalty over the years. You are at the very core of everything we do, and it's your belief in us that drives us to constantly improve and deliver excellence. We are deeply grateful to each of you, to our partners, investors, bankers. Your support and confidence have been invaluable. You have stood by us, empowering our growth and strengthening our vision. Thank you for the trust you have placed in RSB. We look forward to many more years of collaboration and success together. We are deeply grateful to the media fraternity for their consistent support and for being an integral part of our journey. And last but not the least, to the entire RSB family, from the leaders who shape our vision to each employee who brings it to life. You are the heart of this organization. It is your dedication, hard work, and passion that have built this legacy and brought us to this momentous milestone. Thank you everyone who made this evening possible. I would like to special thanks to my entire team, जिन्होंने दिन रात मेहनत करके ये सेलिब्रेशन को एक अंजाम दिया है. हमारी जो ब्रांडिंग टीम है और जो प्लानिंग टीम है, एग्जीक्यूशन टीम है, ऑल प्लांट HR हेड्स, ऑल प्लांट हेड्स, ऑल द HODs और जितने भी तमाम यहाँ पे खड़े हैं वॉलंटियर्स और हमारे सपोर्ट स्टाफ, हमारे कलीग्स जो इनके पीछे बैक स्टेज बहुत मेहनत किए हैं. राइट फ्रॉम मेकिंग वीडियोस, जो आपने जितने भी वीडियोस देखे हैं ये आज का बनाया हुआ नहीं है, बहुत मेहनत लगी है. 6 महीना से हम इसको तैयारी में लगे थे कि इस ग्लोरियस मोमेंट को कैसे सेलिब्रेट किया जाए. तो वी स्टार्टेड आवर थॉट विद द विजन ऑफ RK सर एंड SK सर कि इसको कैसे पहुंचाया जाए सब तक. तो ये उनकी डेडिकेशन है, उनकी मेहनत है, जिनकी वजह से हम ये सक्सेस कर पाए. और हमारे जितने भी लोकेशन है, 17 लोकेशंस, ऑल आर कनेक्टेड. कोई छुटे नहीं है, हर जगह सेलिब्रेशन चल रही है. जैसे यहाँ चल रहा है वहाँ भी चल रहा है. वहाँ के जो HODs हैं उन्होंने टेक केयर किया है, क्योंकि वहाँ पे उनकी लीडर्स प्लांट हेड HR हेड नहीं है, तो they have taken that responsibility and then celebrating there with their people. My special thanks to Ghazal, Arun, Jaya, Jena, Sylvia, Devi Prasad, Sapna, सुष्मिता, रचना, पूरी IT टीम, पूरे हमारे जितने भी, मैं सबका नाम यहाँ पे लिख नहीं सकती हूँ, सॉरी, लेकिन मैं तहे दिल से आप सबका शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहती हूँ। आप सबका भी जो इतने पेशेंटली सुन रहे हैं और इस बड़े से सेलिब्रेशन के पार्ट में आप लोग बहुत ही एंथुजियास्टिकली बैठे हैं और इसको एंजॉय कर रहे हैं। Thank you so much. As we step into next chapter, we do so with gratitude for the past and excitement of the future, knowing that with all of you by our side, there is no limit to what we can achieve. Thank you once again, and here's to many more years of shared success and growth. Have a great evening. Thank you so much.